Welcome to video 2 of the Trimlite Select Plus series. In this video, we will be discussing how to use your Trimlite app. In this video, we will show you how to program your lights and utilize all of the amazing features Trimlite has to offer. From the main settings screen, make sure the Trimlite app is on by checking the toggle switch. Once on, press the Enter button at the bottom of the page to enter into the Trimlite preset program screen. Always remember you can return to the main settings screen at any time by pressing the arrow button at the top left. From the preset program screen, you will see three icons at the bottom. These are the three main screens you will utilize when programming your Trimlite system. The first icon is the preset program screen that you are currently on. The second icon is the custom palette screen, which will allow you to customize your Trimlite system to any colors and patterns you desire. The third and final icon takes you to the calendar and timer screen where you will program your lights to come on the days and times you specify. Now let's address each of these separately, starting with the current preset program screen. This screen is great if you are looking for a quick setup or unique animation for your lights. There are 180 default color and pattern programs preset within the color dial. You can change the program by simply dragging your finger around the ring or by tapping the arrows located to the right and left of the ring. As you scroll through different programs, you will see the name of each program labeled at the top of the screen that describes that particular pattern. The colors within the ring categorize the different programs available, and descriptions of each category are labeled below the ring. You can touch any label to be taken directly to that category. Once you find the pattern you like, you can simply click on the Add to Library button, where you can name and save that pattern as a favorite, and even program it as a calendar event. You will also notice these two sliders on the screen. The first slider allows you to adjust the brightness of your lights, and the second slider allows you to control the speed of any animated pattern. That's all for this screen. Now let's go over the custom palette screen where you will be able to get very creative with your lighting options. The custom palette screen is one of the most exciting features of your new Trimlite system, as it allows you to customize numerous options of different colors, patterns, and animations to meet any unique need or style of lighting that you can imagine. At the top of the custom palette screen, you will see the color palette. The colors contained within the gray box are the common default colors and cannot be changed. However, the color spaces outside the gray box can be changed to any custom color by simply long pressing on any circle. A menu pops up and you can drag your finger along the spectrum while looking at your lights to determine which unique color you want. This spectrum allows you to choose from 16 million colors and hues. In addition, you also have a white balance slider here and a dimmer below that allows you even more customization of a specific color. Once you find your custom color, click OK, and that color will save to that circle. Right under the color palette, you will see a drop-down menu that is pre-populated with every major holiday. This list is for convenience for those who may not want to customize their lights or just looking to set something up quickly. This list is also useful as a starting point to customizing your own holiday pattern. For example, you can open a preset holiday, such as Christmas, make changes to the existing color scheme sequence, then overwrite that holiday or save that pattern under a new name. Just below the holiday drop-down menu, you see the line sequence we have been using with 7 circles. This is where you can set up your own color patterns and sequences. To start, simply drag and drop the colors you want from the color palette at the top down into any of the circles in the line sequence. You can have up to 7 different colors going at a time. Once you have picked your colors, you can now choose the quantity of each color you want in the sequence up to 30. Simply touch any of the spaces in the line sequence, A numeric keypad will appear and you can enter your desired quantity for each color. Keep in mind you must have at least a value of 1 in each circle or that color will not show. It is important to understand that the black circle in the color palette represents black or blank. You can use black to create spaces without light on the line sequence. For example, in the summer, you could turn on your lights to warm white and put a space of 2 blanks between lights to make the lights look more like accent lighting. As you can imagine, there are many different options, so you can get creative. Below the line sequence, you will find the animation drop-down menu. The Trimlite app comes with several different animations to choose from. We encourage you to explore them on your own to find which animations you like the best. Remember that the static option means the colors remain solid with no movement. Another great feature with Trimlite is that the animations you choose can be applied to any color pattern within the color palette screen, whether it is a preset holiday or a customized pattern you created. Once you have your color pattern and scheme set up how you like it, you again have the option to dim the brightness of your lights, as well as speed up or slow down any animations by using the sliders located just below the animation drop-down menu. After completing those adjustments and making sure your Trimlite system is set just how you want it, you will now touch the Save button in the bottom right corner, select Save As, and name your new custom pattern. That's all for setting up colors and patterns for your Trimlite system. In the next video, we will show you how to set your favorite patterns to the timer function and as a calendar event. Thanks for watching.